Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Sign into the Windows account that has sync enabled and open Settings with Windows plus I. Once Settings is open, choose Accounts because that's where sync lives. Make sure you've backed up any critical local files before disabling sync. Turning it off won't delete files immediately, but it will stop pushing changes to OneDrive or Microsoft Cloud. Now tap Windows Backup or sync your settings to reach the initial control panel. We'll disable sync from there. Once on the sync page, you'll see switches for each sync category, theme, passwords, language preferences, and other Windows settings. You should toggle each one off deliberately rather than flipping a global switch so you control what stops syncing. Make sure to open OneDrive's app settings too. In OneDrive, pause or stop syncing for desktop, documents, and pictures folders if those are enabled. Doing this ensures both Windows account sync and OneDrive file sync are turned off, preventing surprises later. You're nearly done. Sign out of the account and sign back in to confirm the changes have taken effect. Sometimes a session restart applies the new policy. Then open OneDrive Online to verify no new sync changes appear. If sync continues, use the OneDrive settings right arrow account, right arrow unlink this PC, or run the OneDrive reset command, and clear saved Windows credentials via Credential Manager. If that still fails, remove the Microsoft account from Accounts and re-add it without enabling sync. This fixes stubborn residual syncing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.